Very good morning, students. I welcome you all to today's English class. From today onwards, we will be starting the revision. Okay. So in this revision class, I will be teaching you chapter number 14, that is adjectives. Okay. So in this, I'll be first of all introducing you, an introduction with what is actually adjective. So adjective is a word that tells you something about noun or pronoun. Clear? And here we will be discussing also today different kinds of adjective, and this is very important as in exam the question might come, identify different types of adjectives. So for that you first of all you should know the different type of adjectives. Okay, now you can see here an adjective is a word that says something about noun. So what is the adjective? That tells you something about noun. First of all, I'll try to explain this with the help of example. Now the example is the girl is very beautiful. Now you tell me what is girl here? Girl is noun. Now what is being told about noun? That is what is being told about girl. That girl is very beautiful. This is what adjective. Adjective means quality. What is the quality of the girl? That she is very good. So this is only adjective. The word that tells you something about noun or a pronoun. Now let us talk about different types of adjective. Now different types of adjectives are, you can see here, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. Now let me write this. Now as you can see, the adjective of three types of adjective I have written here. I will be explaining you this three in short, and then I'll describe rest two left kinds of adjective. Now the first type of adjective is adjective of quality. This adjective tells you about the quality of a thing. Like see, an adjective of quality describes the quality of a person or a thing. For example, the Taj Mahal is a big monument. Now in this very example you can see first of all, Taj Mahal is what? Taj Mahal is not a person, it is a thing. Okay, so which quality of this thing is being described here? That how is Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is very big. So this is the quality of Taj Mahal. Now in the above example you see the girl is very beautiful. So here girl is a person. Okay, now what quality of girl is being described here? That girl is, how is girl? Girl is beautiful. So this tells you about the adjective of quality, tells you about the quality of a person or a thing. So this thing you have to keep in mind. Now talking about adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity describes the quantity of a thing. Like he has little knowledge of work. He has little knowledge of work. Okay. Now here, what quality of he is described here? That how? What is he having? He is having knowledge. But with which kind of how much? What is the extent of his knowledge? That he has very little knowledge. Clear? So this little will be adjective of quantity. Quantity means in Hindi matra. Clear? So you can see here it is telling that what amount of knowledge is he having, or is he does he have? Clear? Like how much milk does the cow give? Now much, many, all these things will tell you the quantity. So little, some, much, whole tell us about how much the thing is intended. Such adjectives are known as adjective of quantity. Clear? Now we will see adjective of number. Now adjective of number tells us how many persons or things are there and in what order any one of them stand. Like suppose example I will give you. Columbus was the first person to discover India. Okay. Sorry, America. America, not India. India was discovered by Vasco da Gama. Okay. By America. Now, in this very example, you see what is the number? The number is first. Okay. So here, Columbus was the first person. This first tells us about the adjective of number. Now, some of the examples are, you see, I will show you the example and from there it will be more clear to you. Not many people know him. So here, what now you might think, ma'am, what is the difference between quantity and number then? Here, generally we talk about uncountable things. And here, generally uncountable things are taken. And whereas in adjective of number, countable things are taken. Okay, like many. Many you can count, but much you can not count. Like for example, how much, whenever we say like this, how much milk do you need? We never say how many milk you need, because many, if I say how many milk do you need, many we use when the things are countable. Milk you cannot count. Okay, you can measure it, you cannot count it. That is there is difference between measurement and counting. So generally adjective of number are countable things and adjective of quantity are uncountable things. Okay. Now demonstrative adjective, interrogative and possessive adjective. Now talking about next type of kind of adjective, that is demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative adjectives are the adjectives that point towards any person or anything. So generally one trick I will give you here, all the words starting beginning with th are generally demonstrative adjective. This, those, them, their, all these are pointing words. You can see some example here. I eat those pastries. Okay. Now in all these things, see, I eat those pastries, this kind of men. Okay, this here it should be, these books belong to Madhu, that is this his house. All these words are pointing words, even kind of. This kind of man, is tarah ke log. So it is actually pointing towards a particular type of persons. Okay, so all these words which point towards any person or a thing is known as what? Is known as demonstrative adjective. And trick I have given, how can you identify a demonstrative adjective with a trick, that is th. You can take some example here, this, those, them, there. Okay, if you see all these words are beginning with th. Now talking about interrogative adjective, generally interrogative adjective starts with wh. Okay, generally interrogative adjective asks us question. For example, what places you will visit in Banaras, which train goes to Bangalore, whose pictures are this. If you see all these examples, you will see that generally all the words begin with wh, but it is not compulsory. Okay, although I have given you trick, but it is not compulsory, but in most of the cases this trick will work. Now possessive adjective. Now what is possessive adjective? Possessive adjective tells us about the ownership. Okay, that is his house, this house is mine, this book is mine. Now you tell me which word is just telling us or just showing us that this book belongs to me, mine. So all these words which shows the ownership are known as what? Possessive adjectives. Just in revision, I'll show you 1 minute. So you can see here, this is my house, her friends are good girls, leave your, so whose luggage? योर लगेज, तो ये बता रहा है कि ये लगेज हमारा है, ठीक है. सो ऑल दिस वर्ड्स विच tells us about the ownership is known as what? Possessive adjectives. Now talking about the type of question that can be asked. So you can see here so many questions are given regarding identify the type of adjective. So different question can also be, or some of the questions can be asked from the example given in your book. You can see here some examples are there, so many examples. So examples can be given from book or from outside, so be ready. This is very important question, opposite meaning of all, so you will learn it. Okay, many questions are there from this book. You see, next question is filled with possessive adjective. You know now possessive adjectives tells us about the ownership. So you see here, like for example, the trees are, 1 minute, I'll write here. Reena is sleeping in dash room. So now you have to fill this with possessive adjective. Possessive adjective is ownership. So anyhow you have to use the word which shows that this bedroom belongs to Reena. So Reena is sleeping in her room. Is it clear? Now this word her shows that the room belongs to her. Clear? Okay. Now next type of question you see. Opposite, there are so many good questions which can be asked in exam from this very chapter. So study well. Internal questions can be asked again and again. I am repeating. Definitions can also come in exam. So prepare well. And if you have any problem, you will ask in comment section. Thank you.